Hi, Godspeed. This channel is about astronomy. In this video, I want to speak about the moon formation, how the moon was formed. And let me train your mind like this. If you all seen at once a hailstorm, so if I'm going to lie to you, you will believe me that the hailstone was produced 3 billion years ago. You must follow me to understand about the moon formation. You cannot give age to the water. So even a hailstone is ice crystals, okay? How much age can you give to the hailstone? And now you must understand what I want to tell you. The moon was formed like this hailstone through processes of crystallization. Processes of crystallization are very fast and common in all the chemistry. This is crystallization. A rock is a crystal. All the atoms form crystal, like sugar, like salt, like most common crystals that we know. So the rocks are crystalline structure like this. This is a concrete piece. Everybody knows how it is made. Imagine to rain with this stuff. So why I'm telling you this? So this is made with water and some sand. You cannot give age to the hailstone, but not to these stones. This is a river stone. They are crystallized under a cloud. Imagine a cloud now, like in this earth cloud is crystallizing this hailstone. Imagine now a cloud and full with dust and everything, like, and it begins to crystallize, like I show to you, like this processes of crystallizations. Like this is a crystal, a chemical crystal, a concrete piece. So in this way the moon was formed, by congealing, crystallizing in a cloud, a big cloud. If you understand that they say that the nearest star it's at the 4 light years, you understand that all the material of the solar system is near vicinity, because you cannot travel with the current speed of the planets that they have orbiting, because you cannot have a bigger speed than this. They will must be like on brakes to came here. So the materials from here was coagulating here in a cloud like this hailstone. So what I want to tell you right now, you cannot give the age of the crystals. Look, I have some sugar on this teaspoon, okay? You cannot give age to crystals, and when crystals are forming instantly, like they are very fast processes. So why do you give 3 billion years to the moon? Why? So when why? So I am telling you that the moon could be very young and made through these crystalline structures. uh, and this is a very fast process. And so what I've told you, if I'm going to lie to you that water has age, the entire planet of Earth is made, it's made from water. So can you give age to the water? Why the Earth has 4 billion years? But you do not understand that every other molecule is the same like a molecule of water. Hydrogen, oxygen molecule, you cannot have give age. So the crystalline structure form of ice, of water is ice. You cannot give age. The process is instantaneous, and every form of crystallizations in chemistry are very fast. But this is told in the Bible. In Saint Peter says that earth was made in the water and through waters, like in congealing processes, like this. Was made in the water because the Bible says that it was submerged in the water. And it was formed, crystallized like this. I've told you, I show to you throughout all the videos. So this the same the moon. All the planets were made because gravity is not attraction. This is why you must understand that it is not attraction. You cannot congeal this through attraction because nothing attracts. Only electromagnetical processes or atomical attraction bondings. So in this way you understand that there's water on the moon, even in the ground, if you are going to look. And I want to tell you one more thing. So the Isaiah the prophet says 2 times that we will that the God made the sky to be livable. So if they were referring to the angels sky or heaven, but I believe that is heaven. So now I studied a list about the moon, and I will tell you, because we in soon will go to the moon. There is a team around 4 men that will circle the moon, and near a year after this maybe we'll go on the moon, and we'll make a permanent base and a orbital stationary station. And this is going to be important if you go to the moon. What it would be the use that for they to lie that this moon is made 3 billion years? We must understand the chemical composition in a correct manner, that to use the moon like to make some buildings or something, not to trick you that this stone has 3 billion years. It's a concrete stone. So this crystallization process will teach you, this hailstone will teach you that can be produced very fast in a fast manner. And I've told you that Isaiah says that the God made the sky to be habitable, to be livable. I will show to you with passages from the Bible, from many other places I found that and I believe that these planets are made for us, but in the fast manner. And you cannot give the age of the moon like in the slow. It was like this, the moon, and then it grew like this. and then it grew like this. And what it was the time of the revolution, or one day that at night it makes, how it was the phases of the moon when the moon was like this big. So when it was formed round, and it has this round shape, okay, at once. So from then on, they passed 3 billion years, and they know this that was 3 billion years ago. These ages are given to trick you, to not understand, and to not understand the correct way of making the planets. So I started the list. I'm saying like a tea science or a coffee science. I'm not filming myself straight just because this is the way I like to. And I'm saying like a tea science, coffee science. I have always here something to drink. This is about the moon formation. I will start a list, a full list only about the moon, about the moon. I believe, like I've showed to you, that a terminator crystalline process, this is the way the moon was formed.
Vámonos.
¡Vamos! Tenemos que salir.
And I believe that this was made for us, all the planets, and the moon is the first base that will go there. And this is very important. So I started a list especially about the moon. Goodbye, God bless. The moon is very young, like this crystalline processes that I showed to you. Goodbye.